Hey guys, welcome back to HLCME, the show where we cook eggs. I'm your host, Kamora Lee Simmons, and today we have episode 8. I know it's been a long time, and I thought as a little special thing, we could do like a MTV Cribs style episode. So come with me and I'll show you the place. Man, no, just... Okay, so this is my new place. I'll show you guys around. Let's go cook some eggs. Come on with me.
Alright, just gotta get some lights on, man.
Just keep rolling and be really quiet. So guys, my roommates are like sleeping at the moment, so we have to be really quiet and we have to be, that's why we have the light. It's just, you know, it's polite, yeah, come with me. Okay, so I'm quite new to this place. I just moved in, as you can see. So well, I think the kitchen's back here. So come on with me and we'll cook some eggs. Okay, great. Just go there, just over here. Okay, so today we're cooking an egg for 8 minutes. So we're gonna get, all right, that'll do, that was really loud. Okay, so just gonna grab my eggs, my trusty egg. Okay, so today we're cooking an egg for like 8 minutes. I think that'll be a good time for an egg, so we'll see how we go. Just gonna turn this way. No, that's the wrong one. Okay. Fuck. It's loud, just like. All right. Okay, so that's the egg in the pot. So we'll start the time. We'll start the timer. 8 minutes on the clock as of right now. So guys, I know it's been a long time and I'm sorry, and I've been like moving a lot, but I'm back at it. I'm making fresh egg content, and I'm really excited that you can be here and that everyone's loving the content and then commenting and subscribing. We recently hit 100 subscribers, which is really big for me. It's a great milestone. So I just want to say thank you, and I've got some really exciting things in store. As you can see, we've got the best kitchen yet, and I think, you know, people have been telling me that the longer I cook the eggs, it might get a little bit like mundane, but so far it's been getting better and better, so I wouldn't be surprised if I just get more comfortable with the eggs, if you know what I mean. Like I'm really looking forward to like seeing where that goes, and like if they taste different, and being able to like educate you guys so that you guys know if it's right to cook an egg for say 5 minutes, or if it's right to cook it for 15 minutes, or like if maybe that's a little too raw. So it's coming along pretty well.
Oi!
Hey.
What are you doing in my house? All I
So
wanted to do was come home and have a fucking
boiled
boiled egg.
Julian.
Get out.
Julian.
Get out!
Fuck. Julian said I could come in and...
Nah, that's bullshit.
No.
Get out.
Come on, Dominic, quick.
Get out.
Fuck. Man. Call the cops. No. Come on. Fuck. Alright, come on me. Oh, fuck. Okay.
What are we doing, man?
Alright, give me a... Are you still rolling?
Yeah.
Alright, come on me.
This is fun.
Ow, fuck. You got me back. Just cut it. Okay guys, so there's 8 minutes on the clock. We're gonna eat our egg. I've just gotta peel it first. Fuck. What the fuck's wrong with this egg? Alright, bon appetit. just need to make this fucking work. Like, you know it's not an egg. I know it's not an egg. But it's fucking work and I don't know what to do anymore. Yeah, I got it.